Big vibes, stay blessed. So this is your boy Black Finesse. We're here to watch Jesse James West. This is called Construction Workers versus Bodybuilders. Who is stronger? Now, off rips, I think my answer would be the construction workers. But it kind of depends on what you're doing, because a lot of different jobs have different techniques on what they do and stuff like that. So it's kind of hard to tell. Like construction workers, they're doing technical hands-on stuff that doesn't really require you to go super crazy, but they're always moving. Like they're constantly moving. They're constantly having to lift stuff. Like they're blue collar men. Like these jokers are just built. Now bodybuilders, I feel like they're just doing it for physique purposes. So they aren't really doing, like, I wouldn't say they're not doing extreme heavy lifting, but they're doing it in increments. Whereas construction workers, they're constantly doing it over and over and over, like every day working, and they should be paid more. I want y'all to understand that y'all need to pay them more. Pay construction workers more. They don't get paid enough for the amount of work that they do.
Construction workers have one of the most physically demanding jobs.
Physically demanding, and they come on, man. Like,
but are they really that strong?
Would you say soft hands?
So I gathered world-class bodybuilders to put these construction workers' strength to the
he knew it was heavy.
To find out who is stronger. First event, 1 rep max on the bench press. Brian,
okay.
We'll let you little ladies pick first. Who you sending out?
My name's Brian, and I do construction. Then we got Walker. Let's go.
Okay, Walker.
All
we'll
rips. The biggest guy?
Who's got a good bench?
I'm my guy right here.
Wes, let's go, baby, let's go! Let's go! He's the biggest one here. You guys want to go first?
Big man versus big man.
Yeah, warm up. I know, you guys, you construction workers. Yeah.
You're making us look bad, Walker.
Oh, that doesn't look too good.
135.
Well, I can already see his chest fibers going. This is insane. You smell estrogen? I bet you have soft hands. Come on now. Oh, he's shaking. Everybody's shaking.
Oh.
This is the first time you ever bench pressed?
Don't wear yourself out, little boy.
Up. One more.
Struggling.
Easy.
Uh-oh.
Oh,
315.
that's hilarious. We have a secret weapon, actually. Hey, we threw them off. You're good. This is a plan.
This is Chase, a 280-pound world-class bodybuilder who came
Oh,
ready for
bodybuilder.
action.
Okay.
This guy's screwed.
And he's repping it.
Secret weapon.
Why do y'all switch characters? Why y'all switch people?
Come on.
Light work. Light work. Up.
Ooh.
They are stressing.
Bodybuilders. I'm telling you, it might be just for show. 405?
Straight for the kill.
Come on. Push.
Ow!
That was a bit fast. How much do you actually bench?
More than him.
I'm telling you, man, just for show.
Construction, yeah, sure. Construction, yeah, sure.
I'm telling you, man, their workouts is pretty much every day, dude.
I know my limits. I got show.
Because when it comes to construction workers, like, if they're not working out, if they're not doing something every day, they're doing it Monday through Friday.
They're
Like,
gonna get the W on
consistent lifting.
but definitely not the next one. Up next, Maz Wrestling. You basically are both deadlifting the same bar, and whoever lets go first loses. Oh God.
Come on.
Yep.
3, 2, 1, go.
No! I almost got teabagged.
Since we are the leaders of each team, we agreed to make my match against Brian a best 2 out of 3.
Are you serious?
Okay, hold on. Wait a second.
You cramping?
Yeah, I got a cramp.
Oh, funny now. You have too much beer.
Go.
You're talking trash and he's beating you. Oh, okay. All right. 1 and 1. Uh-oh, here we go. Can I win it?
Sorry.
It's literally like deadlifting. I get it though.
Hey, you want some of this?
Now try it.
Come on.
They call me the Grip Reaper.
The Grip Reaper is crazy. Pause.
I hate this game. The blue collar guy.
He was tugging.
Come in first.
Blue collar, man. Hey. I told you they might be stronger, dude, because they're doing it every day. This is their basic. This is their basic form of movement.
Don't let it down.
Ooh. Why does it look like that? Yeah.
As crazy
Why
as
is it-
that
why is
was,
it-
what's also crazy is the new
I guess one hand's weaker than the other. That's a little weird though.
All right, we got Jimmy versus West. Round 3. 2, 1, go. Come on.
Gymshark is dropping some of the nicest gym apparel.
No, it's curving. It's curving.
They
It's
just
curving.
dropped the American Muscle Team.
It's
and
curving.
It's going to sell out.
Grab that. Grab it.
Ah, see, that's a little weird.
Gymshark.com and use code Jesse, Jesse, at checkout for 10% off.
I don't know, man. It's weird. One hand, like, it shouldn't be curved vertically like that. I think that's not fair. But then again, it depends on, like, if your arm is stronger than the other.
We're pretty good at everything, so there's no doubt in my mind that we're gonna hit this one off and crush it. We have a relay race. We have the plier heavy bucket challenge. Then
Plier?
the saw challenge. Then we have the sledgehammer challenge. And we finish off with the wheel.
I would think you're walking
challenge.
with your hand. Well,
First team
pliers is
complete from
crazy.
start to finish wins.
This
Are
is
you boys
grip
ready?
strength.
3, 2, 1, go boys, go! Come on, bro, go!
Oh my god.
Got this. Go, go!
The muscles is just for show. This all look weak as hell. I guess they're doing it correctly though. Oh, okay, so ooh. Construction workers can't saw correctly?
On Team Bodybuilder started after Gavin. He still somehow took the lead.
Come on, Brandon!
But things changed.
Come on, man. How you a construction worker, but you ain't doing it right? Okay, there we go. All right, so okay, so all right, there we go. Spoke too soon.
Okay, hurry up!
You lost.
No! Are you kidding? One hit? Hulk smash! Go! One hit! One hit! Come on! We're almost there! We can win this! Let's go! Just keep going! We have to finish! What the No! Hold on, it's facing the wrong way. You're supposed to push. We're gonna get it. We're so close. She's right there.
I ain't gonna lie, I thought the construction workers were gonna lose, but
Close second.
I guess not, because the saw just looked weird.
Yeah, we lost.
That's what, 2?
I guess they know like there's certain level of where you should cut it at.
The next competition, I think, is in our favor.
Don't make me take my shirt off, babe.
Up next, we've got arm wrestle. May the better
Arm wrestle.
win.
Ah,
Okay.
construction workers might win this
It's gonna
one.
be 3, 2, 1, go, okay? Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Come on, Brandon. Hit him, hit him. Boom. Hit him.
Okay, all right. I think it's also technique. It's the way dude was already sitting before he even started. Cause it looked like the construction worker's wrist was already right here.
Kill you.
Deleted scene.
Those other ones didn't count. Okay, we are officially tied 2-2 in the events. Let's keep
Why
going.
y'all skip it?
The next event is a dump truck push. Not those dump trucks. This thing weighs over 15 tons. It's gonna be team versus team. Whoever can get to the finish line the fastest wins this round. Boys,
Let's do it.
you ready? Should we like
Are they gonna use all four to push from
Yeah.
behind, or are they
Rock,
gonna
paper,
use
scissors,
some
shoot.
people in the front?
That's right, baby.
At least he finally won something.
Yeah, that's right, that's right. We're going first, okay? Let's set the tone. 3, 2, 1, go!
First of all, 6 of them.
Push, come
Oh, okay, it is 6 on 6. Okay.
Chop your feet, chop your feet, chop your feet. Let's go.
And everybody got on like regular shoes too. I think the rest of the construction workers got on boots.
Here you go, push.
Oh, we're moving, come on, push. We gotta get all the way to the cone, keep going. We're not there yet.
Oh, they gotta go all the way through.
All the way. We're almost there. Done, stop. Let's go. Right there. That's what's up. Don't tell them our time. We got 36 seconds. So that's good. You guys gotta beat 40.
36
Just 40.
seconds.
Good luck.
40 seconds?
Yeah, good luck. Good luck.
36 seconds.
Listen,
I
you
thought
gotta
it
do
was
what you gotta
longer
do,
than
bro.
that.
I do got win.
Okay.
2, 1.
And they got on boots.
Oh, that's slow.
As a construction worker started off much slower than
boys,
us,
we got this.
I realized that
We
all
got
of the
this.
squats in the gym
We got this.
finally paid off.
Dude, look at them struggle. I'm not gonna lie, they are pushing it a little fast.
Let's go.
Oh Lord.
Wait, what's happening right now?
I'm telling you, man, these guys do this every day, dude.
Oh my god, bro. We're
They're doing it in
We're
such
screwed. You're
unison
kidding
too.
me. 27. Yo, 27. Yo, you guys got 45 seconds. You suck.
Ain't no way.
27 seconds. That is very impressive.
That's wow, a whole 10 seconds faster than him.
The next
Almost
round
10
is worth 2
seconds.
points.
Oh, shit.
So if we beat you, we win.
He's confident.
Hey, good job so far. But you guys look a little tired.
We're not bodybuilders. We're fat.
For the final event,
I don't think they're
we will
tired either. They
plate
got
for
endurance,
plate
man.
On the deadlift.
Like I said, they gotta do this
Final
every
event
day.
worth
Like
2
every day.
The final event. We're sending out Trey, baby. Let's go! Let's go! And number 1 rule, no sumo. We're starting off with Trey.
Oh, they're doing deadlifts? Like actual deadlifts?
That sounds horribly wrong. To finish the job off. Hey! 1 plate, easy.
So I'm sending up Jonathan, one of our biggest.
Oh my gosh. You got some short legs.
He's out
There we
crushing.
go, Trey.
225.
That's what's up. You guys are real quiet over there.
They don't care.
Let's go, Trey.
315.
Easy. Easy money.
See, this is the bodybuilders thing. This is their.
Look at the traps on this guy.
Look at the dump truck.
Uh-oh. Come on, man. Wait, no, you're on the wrong team. Woo! Nah. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, easy. Oh, easy. Look at that back, dude. Already using freaking straps in the belt.
You're right.
Did you have work today?
I've been up since 4:30 this morning.
Mm-hmm.
What time did you
Sure.
wake up, Trey?
I never sleep, bro. I'm always
That's right. That's right. Oh, he's going. That looked heavy.
This is not just show muscle. This is go muscle.
That's right. That's my friend. Let's go. Oh. That was easy. Oh, he's put a shrug to it. Let's go, Trey. Come on.
This is
Come
500?
on, Trey.
545.
Easy.
Come on.
Smoke show, goddammit.
Bro, just walks away in silence. 6 plates.
Don't let us down.
Oh, whoa. That was a dangerous deadlift. Holy crap. Secret weapon. Let's go.
Time to shine.
Get in there, all right? I don't know
Yo,
if you guys
stop
noticed, but
changing
here's the
people.
guy.
The guy that
Y'all out here cheating.
Oh.
The guy that lost on bench but won on deadlifts. Let's go, bro.
Funny.
Time out. He did drop fart though, I ain't gonna lie.
Let's go.
I haven't used the bathroom in like 4 hours. Come on now. It all happens.
That asshole was talking That was awesome.
Oh my God.
I will say it sounded tight. It sounded
Sorry.
Let's see it, bro. Come on.
635.
cool. Come on.
Damn! He's bloodshot red.
Listen, we need this W, bro.
Need it.
We're trying to lose.
Look
to
at
them
that
laughing
stomach,
at
bro.
us.
You got beer belly, bro. Where's the rest of your
Team,
stomach
baby,
at, man?
team.
The plug is gone. All mud after this. It's all mud.
I don't think he's getting this.
Go! Let's go! Let's go! Come on! Get up! Get up! Up! Hold.
Ah!
Yeah, put it down.
Don't hold it.
Boom!
You about to pass out.
655 pounds on the bar. Come on!
Let's go.
Oh shit, what's this one?
Cool.
655. Oh, these jokers can lift. Go ahead, bro.
Final rep! Come on, come on, come on.
He farted again. He's about to shit
Oh
himself.
my God!
Mr. Flatulence in the
I
house.
wanted to, but I started shitting myself.
Bro. Bodybuilder.
We should have.
We do not have any more weight to put on the bar, so we're gonna do one last final tiebreaker. All right, big cheese and big sneeze, come on. All right, clearly we have insane deadlifters in the house, construction workers, bodybuilders, both the same strength. We literally don't have any more weight here, so we're gonna settle it with a tiebreaker, whoever can bend the heaviest and strongest bar, okay?
Okay.
Who can
60
bend
kgs.
it?
You wanna let him go first? You can try to do that. You'll feel it. Oh, easy money.
That's not terribly hard, but
Okay,
it's gonna get harder.
60.
It's gonna get harder.
Just wait for that.
Oh, we just stand up.
Easy.
Huh? I didn't know that was a thing. I didn't know that was a
80
thing.
kgs.
80 kg.
You got this. Come on, bro. Do it for team bodybuilders.
Okay, word. I can do something.
Don't let it flick though.
I don't want to hit in the head. 100 kilograms.
100 kilograms.
This is the golden bar. Whoever bends the golden bar wins it for their team. Come on, bro. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Bend it. Bend it. Bend it. Bend it.
Shit.
Come on, bro. Let's see. Come on.
That
Give
is
it a
hard
sec,
then.
give it a sec.
It's strong.
Thumb it, baby, thumb it.
Come on. Do it for the kids. Oh my. You win. You win.
Oh.
Was the bar bent the most? And when we
He
got
bent
here,
it the most, man.
bent the bar
That's how
completely.
he did.
Oh
Wait, he did it? Oh, he actually
my God.
got
The winner
it.
of this competition is construction workers. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe, but most importantly,
And these are guys who naturally lift, man. Like, I'm telling you, man.
They said I was too confident, but was I?
I wonder how their recovery process is, man. Hey, man, shout out to them. Yeah, I gotta know what their recovery process is. That's dope. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe below. It's your boy Black Finesse. We're out.